We got our 5-liter bottles, we've got our Mentos, and we've got this thing to put this on so it's steady and not wobbling over.
Okay, what are we doing?
We're doing the Coke and Mentos experiment.
And what are you gonna do?
We are going to put the Mentos in the Coca-Cola and see what happens.
And what do you predict will happen?
I predict that when the Mentos go into there, the giant geyser will shoot up.
All right, let's see. What are we starting with?
We're starting with 7 Mentos for each one. This to help put it in, and we have different types of Coke.
Okay, so first up is Coke Zero.
0 sugar. All right.
Whenever you're ready.
All of you. Okay. I'm nervous. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was so cool. Next up, Diet Coke, caffeine free. Whoa! Whoa! Next up, just some regular Coke. 3, 2, 1, go. Cool. That was cool, but don't think it was as high as the other ones. So our next one is just Diet Coke, and from our research, we've gathered that this one should make the highest geyser.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was totally the biggest one.
Again.
What'd you think?
I think that was a really cool experiment.
All right, let's go home.
Go home! Go home!
So, what happened?
Geysers.
Why did geysers happen?
Science.
Could you be a little more specific?
Sure. First, let's talk about the soda. Soda has a whole bunch of chemicals that are injected with lots of carbon dioxide at the factory. The carbon dioxide naturally wants to get out because it's a gas. But the liquid's viscosity is greater than the carbon dioxide because the carbon dioxide bubbles are very tiny, which means that the liquid is too heavy for the carbon dioxide to push through. But next, let's look at the Mentos. Because of the way Mentos are made, there are thousands of little nooks and crannies on the surface of a Mento. The liquid can't get into the little tiny spaces, but the carbon dioxide can get into it. And so that means that they all clump together to form big old bubbles in there, which can rise up through the liquid. And imagine that happening through all the thousands of holes on one Mento, and then multiply that by 7 Mentos. And the Mentos, and add that to the fact that Mentos are heavy, so it sinks to the bottom of the bottle and reacting with the carbon dioxide all the way down. This creates a lot of pressure and pushes the gas along with the liquid out of the bottle, creating a geyser. And that's called nucleation.